This is my Hangman project that was made in fall of 2024.
Very good.
I made this project because of the simplicity and approachability of the classic Hangman game, and I also like playing Hangman, and I thought it would be a fun challenge to make it on a computer. I learned about functions and how they are useful. They can compartmentalize different concepts and simplify the program's designs. For loops, a for loop helps us isolate each element of a list or string. In a display function, a for loop is used to check if each letter in the secret word has been guessed. A function that returns true or false, whether the player has won the game. This function goes through the letters of the secret word, and if all the or like if the player guesses of the letters are all inside of the secret word, then it'll return true, and if it isn't, it'll return false. The function that prints the secret word with underscores in place of unknown letters. Uh, there's a variable of display underscore word that's an empty string for the letter in secret word. If letter incorrect guesses display word underscore, else display uh underscore word letter. It's basically just running. It's like it's the it's running through the secret word, and it's re replacing the underscores in the secret word with the letters if they guess a letter correctly.
Okay. So it's time for you to demo your project. I'm gonna let you take over the screen share.
Uh, uh, so basically you just guess a word, and then it would tell you it'll tell you how many guesses you've done, and if it's not in the word, it just returns a bunch of underscores. And then when you get it correct, the hangman stays the same number, and it also tells you the letters you've already guessed. Uh, uh, and and if you waste all your guesses, it just tells you you didn't guess the secret word, and it tells you what word it was.
Very good. Can you show me where the main game loop is here? Hmm. How do we know when we're breaking out of the main game loop?
Uh, when the word is fully guessed, or if all the letters, or if all the underscores are replaced with the correct guesses.
Okay. What variable are we using to keep track of how many guesses they've taken?
Uh, all underscore guesses, or
Oh yeah, that's what tells you which guesses they have, but I was thinking of Hangman. What data type is Hangman?
integer.
Very good. Very good. So how big does Hangman have to be for you to lose the game?
Uh, under 6.
Very good. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take it back over and we can go back to the presentation. Very good job, Ryan. Okay. Favorite part.
My favorite part about working on this project was the function is underscore game underscore one. That was my favorite part of the project because without the function of is underscore game underscore one, we wouldn't really know if you won or not. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would use images for the hangman, add more words, and adding hints for the words. Thank you.